Sit still for a moment. Close your eyes. When was the last time you truly slowed down your mind? Most people try to change their life without ever learning how to calm their thoughts. This part is inspired by the book The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. It focuses on calming the mind, building self-belief, and using simple daily practices to grow with clarity and intention. Part 4. The power of silence and breathing. Choose a quiet place. Sit comfortably. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Now breathe in through your nose for 3 seconds. Hold for 3 seconds. And slowly breathe out for 3 seconds. Move gently. Move slowly. If thoughts appear, and they will, don't fight them. Don't analyze them. Just observe them and return your focus to your breath. This simple practice trains your mind to stay present instead of reactive. Stop self-blame. Start self-belief. If you make a mistake, do not blame yourself. Only people who do nothing never make mistakes. Growth requires action, and action includes failure. Instead of self-blame, choose belief. Repeat positive affirmations daily like, I can handle this. I am capable. I am improving every day. Belief isn't built in one day. It's built through repetition. The 2 hidden enemies. There are 2 silent enemies that stop more progress than fear. I don't feel like it. I don't have time. If you listen to these voices, you don't lose immediately. You slowly deceive yourself. Distance yourself from these excuses, or they will quietly control your life. Robin Sharma once said, if you don't make time for exercise today, you'll likely make time for illness later. The same rule applies to growth, learning, and discipline. Why reading accelerates growth. Want to grow faster in any area of life? Read the books of people who have already walked that path. The knowledge inside these books is the result of a lifetime of effort. By reading, you borrow years of experience in just a few hours. That's leverage. Why writing changes everything. Writing is more powerful than most people realize. 1. It forces deep thinking. You understand ideas clearly when you write them down. 2. It builds confidence. Write your achievements and feel gratitude for them. 3. It reminds you of past lessons. Reading old notes reconnects you with solutions you already found. 4. It shows your progress. Writing becomes a measurement of growth. 5. It reveals patterns. You discover behaviors to improve and habits to strengthen. Writing turns experience into wisdom. Closing thought. Calm your mind. Believe in yourself. Protect your time. Learn daily. Write your journey. Small daily actions create powerful long-term change.